everybody, this is the painting from my last pour video, and it dried really well, and this was the one I did not want to torch because I'll show you space like these areas where you can see there's white over color. It would have ended up, all that color would have come up, but it would have been really blobby. So actually I did torch, but from really high above and really quick. And there's no air bubbles, and it dried really smooth. I don't know how crazy I am about it, and unless somebody snags it, there's probably a chance I'll paint over it. But right now, through the end of October, anything on Etsy is 40% off at my store. So go on, take a visit over there. So I'm about to do a little straw blow on my second little target table. And yes, that is a Hanukkah plate that I had actually used for another painting the other day, which is why it's gray and black. But waste not, want not. So we will be reusing it. So again, this is like this little wooden thing. I got it at Target. And I'm going to use Indian yellow, carmine red, and this is like a blue violet. I don't think I want to use carmine red though. Let's use rose. Oh, there's like nothing in the Indian yellow, so may or may not be using that. And this is just my Dutch paint, Dutch boy paint. So I'll show you when the paint, I was watching spray paint videos last night because I think some of the colors that I've been wanting in some of my abstract stuff, I just can't seem to find. So I think I need to look into enamels, or I really don't know, but I don't have any. Alright, I guess I'm using Kleenex because that's all I have over here. Because that's not going to fall apart. Oh well. I'm going to put the dark on the bottom. And these were the crappiest Hanukkah plates ever. Like, look at this. They're not even plate shape. Granted, I had put this in the trash and then took it back out for this, but they're not like plate shape. They're flat. I don't know where. Probably Target. I don't know why. Stores need to up their Jewish holiday game, because we would buy all that crap. Totally would. When I had little kids, anytime I saw Hanukkah stuff, I would purchase it. Now I don't decorate or anything, but. And also today, for those who celebrate, it is Monday today in real life. I don't know what time it is when I'm actually showing this, but it is Rosh Hashanah, so Happy New Year to my fellow Jews who celebrate. Alrighty. You know, I could just move this. Hi, Roger. This is the straw. That's beautiful. Added the white because I wanted it lighter. But that kind of made everything go away. So this might be like a straw tilt. Ooh, I'm kind of digging this. I love this. I wish I had a bigger circle that it was on. Torching kind of, I don't know, it's not really burnt the white, but where it looks, it doesn't look as, it kind of looks, gosh, what's the word? Like kind of the skin on pudding. I don't even know how to describe it, but you could tell they were like little white kind of pieces that just were not attractive to the piece. Ooh, I like it. I like it, and I'm leaving it for all the. And then when I walk you back over here, you're gonna realize what a disastrous mess my studio is. Because I have been working on lots of things. We've got that. I just stepped on paint. I've got some over there. This is my giant 3 foot by 3 foot. I'm trying to paint the sides purple right now. Extremely pleased how this turned out. Very, very happy. I love the straw. So, bleh to those of you who don't. Love ya. Bye.